If you want to get started faster on the guitar, it all begins with technique. Or if you've been at it for a while and recognize some gaps in your playing, it all comes back to improving your technique. Hey, I'm Nate Savage, and I'd like to invite you to my brand new program called Guitar Technique Made Easy, where I'll be your personal guitar coach to help you improve your skills and make 2018 an incredible year on the guitar. You'll have better timing and feel, you'll have more freedom to explore the guitar neck, and you'll be able to improvise on the spot. And most importantly, you'll get way more out of your guitar practice sessions, totally fall in love with the guitar again because of the massive progress you'll be making week after week after week. Last month, I sent a survey out to more than 50,000 guitarists about the challenges and frustrations the guitar students are having. And the problems are pretty clear. 50% say there's too much information out there. You're frustrated by too much material online with a fire hose of information being blasted at you from YouTube, Facebook, and even email. It can become really overwhelming and it leaves students feeling abandoned, not knowing what to practice next or where to go after a lesson is done. 56% say they need better organized lessons. You don't have a ton of time to practice the guitar, I know, so you need every practice session to count. You need to know that the work you're putting in will actually make an impact on your playing. And 31% say they need feedback from a teacher they trust. While you're learning something, anything, you're gonna have questions along the way, and your questions don't always fit a template. You want personalized feedback and advice that speaks to the exact problems and issues you're having while you're learning the guitar. So today, if you're facing any of these issues, I'm very excited to share the newest and absolutely best course I've ever created, Guitar Technique Made Easy. It was created to solve the three major problems that students are experiencing by simulating the private lesson experience for a fraction of the price. Here's the deal. The course will last for 26 weeks and you'll only get one new lesson each week. This is your assignment for the week, should you choose to accept it. In each lesson, I'll give you very specific instructions on exactly what to practice, how long to practice for, and even at what point you've completed the material. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced guitar player, I will give assignments for each skill level. And here's the best part. I will be personally available to you to answer your specific questions and make sure there are absolutely no hurdles for you on improving your skills and reaching your goals on the guitar. And it's called Guitar Technique Made Easy for a reason. While it won't be easy at first, it's the first guitar course that I've seen that will actually get easier and easier with each weekly lesson because we'll be covering some of the most critical aspects for your guitar technique first to make sure you're set up for success. And then we'll gain crazy momentum as we build on that foundation to take your playing to the next level. With other guitar books and videos, it can be difficult to stay motivated with a ton of exercises and chords being thrown at you along the way, only to turn the page and see even more exercises waiting for you. It can be frustrating and it can totally kill your motivation. The bottom line is that we don't all have unlimited time to practice the guitar, so you might be busy with work, friends, family, or other hobbies. Your time is precious, so when we sit down to play the guitar, we don't want it to be a frustrating experience. We just want to play the guitar and actually get better. And with Guitar Technique Made Easy, that's exactly what you'll get. I've been teaching guitar online for nearly 10 years now, and you know that I only provide the absolute best lessons. So, for the next 6 months, I'm looking to work with students who have put in the hard work to get the results that I know you can achieve. It won't be overwhelming. In fact, if you've been experiencing any of the big three issues, it'll actually be easier than ever before, and I'll be with you every step of the way. For the next 6 months, I'll essentially be your personal private instructor ready to help you with anything that you need. To get started, just click the order button on this page. The course will officially start in mid-January, but the registration will be open until January 31st, until midnight. After that, I'm going to close the registration so I can work with the students who've signed up. So go ahead, Click on any of the buttons on this page to get started and join the Guitar Technique Made Easy course, where you'll take your playing to the next level and set yourself up for an incredible year of guitar in 2018. I'll see you online.